What's up? How everybody doing? As y'all can see right here, got a little project I'm about to be working on. I'm gonna try and build a little DIY wood rack, not for my fireplace, but for my smoker that I have on the trailer. So y'all stick around. Hopefully this video won't be too long. I hope everybody had a great Thanksgiving with their family, friends, and other loved ones. But on the ground, I have cut my boards already. They're 2x4s. They're not treated. That's my preference because I was a little iffy on doing that because it's the wood I use to cook meat with, and I didn't want any chemicals possibly getting into the wood I'm gonna be cooking with. I've seen tons of videos that other people have done it. I'm just not gonna do it. It's just my preference. But y'all stick around. We're gonna see how this goes. Okay, folks. Here's my finished project so far today. Gotta go back and get the wood to go across the top because I am gonna put the top on this. Like I said, it was real simple to build. This particular wood is for my smoker, not for my fireplace. I don't even run my fireplace. But it's a simple build that you can do. Let me know in the comments what y'all think about it. Don't forget, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, please. I have a lot of visitors, but a lot of those visitors are not subscribed to my page. I don't know why. Maybe it's the content, but you're constantly looking, but you won't subscribe. Hey, I'm trying hard. But y'all be blessed. Have a great evening.